Here is a close look at the Necoichi portable cage carrier and litter box, which is in there. I'm going to give you a close look at this product. My husband and I, we recently moved across the country, and we had this in the back of our car with our cat inside, and she, might I tell you, was very comfortable. It worked very well for her needs, and I'd overall highly recommend it. And we had a sedan and a bunch of other stuff in the car too, and it fit. It wasn't too big, it wasn't too small, it was perfect. Would definitely recommend. Assembly was also easy. It came all folded up. It seems like it's going to be a bit harder to fold back up, so just keep that in mind. So we've kind of just had it up, and we've been using the litter box portion of it, which I'll give you a closer look at on the side over here. So we've got this flap, which we've got up, and then there is the litter box with litter inside. Doesn't include that scoop. We just have that there at the moment. Overall, very sturdy. Would definitely recommend it. The zippers work well. It isn't easy for the cat to unzip those on their own. One thing I do want to note, you'll probably notice it is a little bit lopsided looking. My cat ended up using it more as a plaything after we moved. Obviously, she still does her business and it works well, but she went through a little phase where she kind of went crazy and ran all the time and was always grabbing at the top and knocking it over. So just keep that in mind. And it seems like it's made it slightly less structurally sound or something. It's just a bit lopsided at the moment. So I just want to note that I think it's better for traveling. I wouldn't recommend it as a long-term option. I kind of wish we hadn't turned it into a long-term option, but overall I definitely recommend it. It's got lots of great features. You know, you can put your address and phone number down there. It comes with a little card for you to do that. We've also got this flap here for if your cat needs a little bit more space on their own. You just take that down and voila, it's a bit more sealed off so that they can relax with a bit more privacy. These handles at the top are very easy to use as well. Overall, this is definitely a product that I would recommend, especially if you are traveling and need something that'll be comfortable for your cat on a more more long-term traveling for a few days, long road trips, car trips, you name it. This is a great choice for those needs.